my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So excited for today's video. I pretty much say that in every video at the beginning, but honestly I'll be like really excited to try these products. But anyway, I'm super excited to do a little comparison and review of the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift because I heard this is very much compared to the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. This is $6, this is $23. Is this a dupe? Is it not? Let me know in the comments, is it Anastasia Beverly Hills or Anastasia? I've been saying Anastasia. I feel like it's more easier for me, but I feel like it's Anastasia. If you guys want to know how the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift and the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze works on my super thick, long eyebrows, then just keep on watching. I do have some sparse areas over here, and I did overpluck a little bit. Really excited to show you guys the differences between the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift versus the Anastasia brow freeze. I kind of already used this a little bit, but I haven't used it lately, so I kind of forgot how it works. But I haven't used this yet. Right now I do not have any makeup on because I always do my eyebrows before I apply any foundation, concealer, anything on my face, eyeshadow. Like, I have to do my eyebrows first. We're gonna start off with the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift first on this eyebrow. Then for this side, we're just gonna use the ABH brow freeze. With the 𝐿𝐹 Cosmetics brow lift is an extreme hold clear eyebrow shaping wax that holds your brows in place for a fluffy soap brow feathered look. And as you can see, my eyebrows are already thick, you know, but we're gonna see how this works with like them holding up and like flakiness. It has extreme long lasting hold, lifts, tames, sculpts brows for a feathered effect, clear natural universal finish for all skin tones and brow colors. Aloe infused conditioning formula nourishes brow hairs and is cruelty free, and it has no parabens, tricyclic, tricyclic, all these weird words. They're not in this product. But the brow freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a customizable brow styling wax that lifts, tames, and sculpts every hair into place for the perfect feathered looking brows. The universal easy to apply formula is mess free and provides a long lasting extreme hold without a stiff feel or residue nor flaking. The benefits is the clear wax formula for all skin tones and brow colors, provides long lasting extreme hold that locks brows in place, instantly gives the look of a lifted feather brows, easy to use and mess free application, no water needed, helps tame unruly and coarse brow hair. And as you can see, my brows are pretty thick and long, sets in place without a stiff feel, residue flaking, grips to skin and hair, ideal for medium sparse to full brows. Luxe Rose packaging. This is cruelty free, paraben free, oil free, and vegan. The applicator I'm going to be using for both of my brows is the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift applicator, because I'm not gonna lie, the other one from ABH is a little bit pricey and this is only $4. First, let me comb these out before I apply the gels. I definitely prefer applying my eyebrow products before I apply the gels because for me personally, I notice it works better like that for me. So I'm going to be applying them really quick, then I'll get back to you guys with these products. Okay, so I just got done doing my makeup. You see that sparse area or that area that's like not looking filled, or like this part right here, and like these are like kind of curling a little bit. See, that's the type of stuff that I have to deal with my natural eyebrows. I'm going to be using the 𝐿𝐹 brow lift for this eyebrow to see how this goes. It looks like this. Is very clear. It smells like there's like a hint of a smell, but it doesn't really smell like anything. But it's very clear and a little bit foggy. From what I've seen people do, they take a little bit from this and like dip it on here, then wipe off the excess on here and just comb up like that. Take a little bit. Is that a lot? I don't know, but I'm just gonna take some of it on the back like this and just kind of do that. This is how much I have on the spoolie. Then I'm going to be taking my mirror and just make sure that I comb up and very lightly in a way, and just comb this way. And ooh, so far I'm loving it. It's not taking any of the product that I had put on my brow. They're actually like holding up. I'm gonna take some more towards the end right here. And if you want to, you can use this side, but I don't really do like the feathered brow type of look. Well, actually no, I don't even have to do that. I can still like do my little, and this is just gonna help flatten them. Y'all, I'm learning as I go with this. Okay, so if I'm looking surprised, I'm legit surprised. And I actually haven't used this part ever since I had it for like a while. This is my first time like using it for like this, so I'm very much impressed. And look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And I think I want to add some more on the front of my brows. So a good thing I put some on here, and I'm gonna just scoop the rest like that and just do that. With this so far, it's not flaky, it's very easy to use. A little bit my eyebrows are like fluffing up, like just a little bit, but I feel like they always do that no matter what product I use. But they're not like fluffing up to the point like, oh, I can tell they're gonna move throughout the day. It's just like a little fluff. I could tell a little bit is gonna go a long way because I didn't even scoop a lot out. And my eyebrows are thick, so of course I'm going to be needing a little more than like an average person that doesn't have like really thick eyebrows or like long eyebrows. It really helped blend everything together and not make my eyebrow products on my eyebrows look so harsh and dark. Then with Miss ABH Brow Freeze, I did kind of use her a little bit, but not like consistently to the point where, okay, I know what's up with this already. It's like off and on because I was like really impatient to like, you know. So yeah, I already kind of put a dent in this, but we're gonna see how this works still. Like I had it for almost a year. Yes, I know, please chill on me, but this is how it looks. Kind of annoyed that I didn't give you guys like a clean state of how this looks, but I'm sure you guys can get the point. Like this is way more frostier than this. Actually, let me open this one. Yeah, this is definitely way more frostier looking than this one. This one's more of like a gel. This one looks like more of a wax, maybe mixed with gel. I don't know, but maybe it's because I opened this one already and this one I just opened right now. We're just gonna see how this works. This is how my eyebrow looks right now. It has like a little gap right here, and this one's like kind of pushed to the side. I wish it was like this more, but it's okay, we're gonna fix that. Pretty much that's the tea on this eyebrow. Now I'm just going to dip my spoolie in this. Then I'm gonna just put this one on the back of here and kind of like blend it in the brush, just like that. But I really love the packaging on the ABH one. I love rose gold, but mainly gold, but rose gold is fine too, and it's just like very cute, you know. I'm just going to be starting from the front, then do that. And I am going to be combing them more upwards in the front and just combing them this way towards the end. Okay, so I automatically notice with this one, for me at least, it's more matte on this side, which is good because not everybody wants like a glossy looking eyebrow, you know. And this one looks more glossier and this one looks more matter, but you can't really tell the difference unless you're like really looking like how you guys are right now probably. This one's definitely more of like a gel consistency, while this one is definitely giving more of a waxy gel matte finish, you know. Gels have more of a shine to them, like how my hair has some shine because I do have some gel in my hair, so it's kind of giving me that type of vibe right now. And this, it's like Like it has like a hint of shiny, but not as shiny as this. Hope you guys get what I mean. So far I do like it. It depends on like your taste of everything. And let me actually use this side to actually flatten them. This one's definitely more shinier than this one. This one still has some type of shine to it, but it's definitely not moving at all. It is lifting up a little bit, so let me add some more of the brow freeze in the front, because I want it like more like this, you know, and just flatten it like that. Let me smell the ABH. How do you even tell you guys? Okay, this one definitely has a different scent than this one. It's like more of a maybe waxy, like I don't know, it's like something different, but it's definitely not like this. But they still have like a plain scent. But I'm just letting you guys know if you guys like wanted to know like the smell and everything. It's kind of reminding me of like a gluey type of wax, but it's a very light scent. But what do you guys think about this eyebrow? Like, let me know what you guys think about the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze with this eyebrow. So I did touch my brows up a little bit just to clean them up right here with some concealer. Now I am going to be showing you guys the wear test and how long they last until like they get curly or anything like that. But I forgot to mention, like I keep forgetting to mention things, but with this one, as you guys seen, it wasn't looking flaky, thank God. And a little bit did go a long way with this. I'll just let you guys know my final thoughts and opinions about the ABH brow freeze and the e.l.f. brow lift. Before I take off this makeup, right now it's like around 12:15 in the morning, and these are how my eyebrows look. And honestly, the e.l.f. one is definitely a dupe of the ABH brow freeze, but the e.l.f. one, from what I can say right now, is definitely my favorite. Like, look at the difference. And this one moved a little bit, this one did too, but yeah, they're definitely a dupe. And I sound so tired while I'm talking right now, like I'm so exhausted. But no, seriously, you guys definitely have to try both of them out if you want to. But if you guys really want to know my final thoughts and opinions on this, I say for me, I would definitely choose the outside just because of the price. And I just love how it looks. Kind of matches like my hair in a way with like the shininess and everything, but it's not too shiny. This is more matte, but this is also the eyebrow that's like different from this one, because eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, or something like that. You know that little saying? Do I have an eye booger? Oh my gosh. But anyway, the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So I definitely rate this a 8 or 9 out of 10. For the e.l.f. and for this one, no, I definitely rate this one at 8 or 9 out of 10. Then I'll rate this one a 10 out of 10. e.l.f. Anastasia. So I hope you guys enjoy this review and comparison of the e.l.f. brow lift versus the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. Let me know which eyebrow is your favorite. Is it this one or is it this one? Let me know in the comments. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That helps me a lot. That's why I always say it in my videos. And let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, makeup, like literally anything like that. Let me know in the comments as well, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.